Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing. This is my part 2 of my Chanel 21P reveal. It's still in this box and I can't be more excited. I'm gonna be honest, this is going to be one of my most exciting unboxings ever on my channel. Also, I want to tell you guys I do have a giveaway at the end of the video, so please make sure you stay tuned, and it's a Chanel giveaway. Can't wait. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie. I do luxury handbag reviews and a lot of neutrals on this channel, and I'd love it if you like and subscribe. Let's get into the reveal. This is so exciting. Okay, got this. Oh my. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. You guys, I did get it from the Lux Theory, so thank you, Rod, for this amazing bag. I'm so excited. Okay, classic handbag. If you guys know 21P, you probably already know what this is. Yay! Ah! Oh my god, it's gorgeous. You guys, it is so beautiful. Ah. I haven't been this excited about a handbag like on this level in a very long time. Oh my goodness. This is what handbag dreams are made out of. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful bags I have ever seen. And just as a fellow neutral handbag lover, this checks every box. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Lambskin, the beautiful quilts, the gold. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm beyond. This is in the small size. And I just love it. This is the classic flap. And I'm amazed by this beautiful bag. If you can't tell. Oh gosh. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I mean, it is truly stunning. Originally, I did want a mini size, as you may recall from my wish list video. When I tried to get that one, there was issues with the chain. So I actually started looking for a classic. So medium or small is totally open. Rod had the beautiful small size. So he was able to get this for me, and it's just a stunning bag. I'm so excited. Thank you for helping me with this beautiful bag. Okay, guys. So let's just see. You guys have a close-up? Love it. This is a beautiful, stunning bag. It's so cute. And it's just like perfect. On my shoulder. I'm 5'2", guys, if you recall. So beautiful. So just for comparison's sake, I thought it'd be fun to just kind of showcase the two bags so you can see in the natural light. Here, we'll just kind of push that. To me, looks a little bit lighter on the 19 classic flap. It looks a little bit darker. But you can see, for those of you that are wondering about how that compares to my trendy, which is that 28 series. The trendy is more of the classic tan camel color, and then this is definitely more of a caramel brown. It's got more brown tones. This is more camel tones. Let's talk about the giveaway. I'm so excited to team up with 4 other Lux YouTubers to give away a Chanel card holder. And I'm going to put all the rules down below, liking, subscribing to our channels. This is such a wonderful piece and a great way for us to say thank you for supporting our channels. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing and the giveaway. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments below. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.